Yes, sir.
Whereas coming to the DSD, guys, not discussed yet. Yeah. For example, some of the data entry persons, when values are not available, what they are going to do is they will not assign anything. They should enter at least one space or dot. Mhm. Just multiple delimiters like this. If I run this, can I get output with all observations and all variables along with missing value? What do you think? How SAS will treat multiple delimiters, guys? First of all, either space or comma, whatever it is, how SAS will treat multiple delimiters. So multiple delimiters SAS is going to treat as a single delimiter only. No, it will try to read the next available value. After reading PID, what will be the name variable value then? Don't say missing
It will
because we
take
have
female
multiple. Yeah, name is trying to read female. Age 1,
one
gender
SCR.
screening. Visit 1030. Treatment group Alfred. See, first record definitely that one only. First record 101 female, 1 screening, 1030 Alfred. So like that it will jump to the next line, next line. Instead of 5 records, it is reading just 3 records only. Problem is here, there is a missing value. To indicate missing, they are not using anything. They are using multiple delimiters, that's it. Okay, so this kind of data if you receive, okay, consecutive delimiters, we can say that. When there are a consecutive delimiters, to treat it as a missing value, they just use DSD. DSD means delimiter sensitive data. Okay, see here how DSD is going to help you. DSD, while reading the data, if it is encountered two delimiters one after another immediately, that is called consecutive. One after another immediately, if it is encountered, DSD will set one missing. Okay, PID 1024, guys. Next, there is a delimiter, comma delimiter. That two commas is there. So two commas comes under one missing. Yes, for the name variable, it will set missing. Next, these two commas, it will treat as one missing. Age, it will set missing. Next, gender female. Next, visit treatment group. We'll get your output for sure, along with missing. There you can see. Name missing, age missing. Next, age missing, gender missing, and visit missing here. 4 delimiters. 4 delimiters means 3 missing, guys. 2 delimiters means 1 missing. 3 delimiters means 2 missing. Every 2, 1 missing, guys. Like this. These 2, 1 missing. Next 2, 1 missing. These 2, 1 missing. These 2, another missing. And these 2. Logic is, if you have 4 consecutive delimiters, 3 variables missing. 3 consecutive delimiters, 2 missing. 2 consecutive, 1 missing. Am I clear? What is the use of DSD? When there are multiple delimiters, sorry, consecutive delimiters. In data lines, to treat it as missing value, just use DSD infile option. Okay. And one more important point about DSD. DSD default delimiter is Comma, guys. Yeah. DSD default delimiter comma means in DLM no need to put comma, guys. Yep. If you use DSD directly, or even if you use DLM, not a problem. Not a problem. But no need. Because DSD by default it will search for the comma separated values only. What is the SAS default delimiter? Space. So by default SAS is going to search for the space separated values only, right? Same like that, DSD by default it will search for the comma separated values only. When you are going to use DSD, in case if it is a delimiter DLM, sorry, in case if it is delimiter comma, only for comma, no need to put DLM, even if you use not a problem. Why again and again, even if use not a problem, if you feel confused, always try to use DLM and DSD both combination. Both combination try to use. But because remaining all, even if it is a space also, we need to put DSD, guys. DLM. See, this time submit, you will get output fine. No problem. But what I'm going to do is, I will separate with space. Control H, space. So what is the delimiter now? Space is the delimiter. That way you have multiple delimiters. Consecutive delimiters are there. If I run this program with DSD, why? Because DSD is searching for the comma separated value here. Comma is not there. So we need to tell for DSD, hey, here delimiter is space. If you find multiple spaces, just treat as a missing value. Okay, now submit the program. Then you can check it out. Same one. Now, okay. So this is just interview question. Just remember what is the DSD default delimiter comma. But while writing the program, always DSD and DLM both combination try to use, guys. Even for the comma also try to use both combination. That is good habit actually. I can say that. Only exception for comma, but just use for always whenever you are going to use DSD to treat it consecutive delimiters as missing. Along with DLM, try to use that. Questions? Any questions about DSD? Okay, see, of course, even multiple spaces also not a problem. One, two, three spaces. Three spaces, DSD it will set two missing value. Here, one, two, three, four spaces. Four spaces, it will set DSD, three missing value. Any character, guys, not only space and comma. Any character if it is a delimiter. So just use. Okay, I will use one more. Space with dash. Okay. This is about DSD. DSD introduction. DLM and DSD. DLM to define DLM which character you are using other than space, and DSD. So rare cases, guys. Okay, rare cases will get this kind of data. Okay, multiple delimiters.